Peter, I am going to record this video to explain to you exactly what I mean when I said the ink tray is missing from this machine. Now, this is the machine itself, the whole machine itself. As you can see right in front of the machine, there is a big gap here between these two metals, and you can see the slot where the ink tray goes in. It slides in here and just under the head. As you can see, there is a big gap here, where the ink tray should be, and these are the screws that holds it, as you can see here. But the ink tray is definitely missing. These are just bars that hold the ink tray. When you look at the machine, the pictures from the side, that's why you're thinking that the ink tray is present, but there is no ink tray present with this machine. Now this is the head that moves in and out, and this one moves this way, on the ink inside the tray, but there is no tray. This is the metal at the back here. You were trying to say that that's the ink tray. It's not the ink tray. It's just a big cube metal bar at the back here. So the ink tray is here. That's where it slots in. It's definitely missing from this machine. So I don't know what else to say to you for you to understand what I'm trying to explain, that the ink tray is missing from the machine. So this is my last chance of explaining things to you. In the end, what I'll do is I'll just put the machine back into the box and then send it back to you, so that when it's with you, you can see exactly what I'm trying to say. So I hope this video makes it clear. Look at the gap here where the ink tray should fit in, but it's missing. It didn't come with the machine, and without it, there is nothing I can do with the machine. I just have to send it back. I hope this makes things clear for you.